guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Maxins, aka the Sigma Boy. Someone asked, what is ICT means? ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. ICT is a broad term encompassing all technologies related to the storage, retrieval, manipulation, processing, transmission, and reception of information electronically in a digital formats. It includes devices, networking, components, applications, and systems that enable people and an organization to interact with the digital world. Importance of ICT. ICT plays a crucial role in modern society, impacting various aspects of life, including number one, business, automation, e-commerce, data analytics, and remote work. Second, education, online learning, digital resources, and virtual classrooms. Third, healthcare, telemedicine, medical imaging, and electronic health records. Fourth, entertainment, streaming services, social media, and online gaming. Fifth, communication, email, instant messaging, and video calls. In addition, ICT continues to evolve rapidly, bringing new opportunities and challenges. So, ICT is important in personal life, school, business, and community. Overall, ICT is crucial for modern life, impacting education, business, personal lives, and communities by enabling efficient communication, data management, information access, and social engagement. Its importance is constantly growing as technology devices